It's right here.
This is the measuring cup. Got orange flour and some frozen. I'm putting all the flour inside of the water.
Is it ready now?
I made the pancake mix. It's ready now.
Okay.
And I want to do it too. I want to do this too.
You put this down. Okay.
Can I have another bowl?
Let me check if it's ready now.
Can I do that thing?
Yeah, mommy will just get some butter.
Hey, where are you? Hey, where are you?
Now we put some butter. Carefully, this is
I
hot.
want to do it too.
Alright, but you need to be careful. Here. Hold it like this. And spread it. Don't touch the waffle maker. Now on the other side.
It's getting hot.
Yes. Now,
I want it round.
yeah, put this. Mommy will put this.
I want to do it.
Alright then, careful.
I want
right?
to take a bigger one.
Yes. Careful, okay?
I take a bigger one.
No, not like that. Don't spread it like that. Go get more. One more. One more. Hurry up. Put it like a mountain. Not like that.
I want it round like this.
But first you need to make a mountain before you do that because it's gonna get stick. Like that first. Then one more.
I want to do a big one that I said.
Press here. Press here. Now stop now. That's gonna overflow.
I want more of it.
No more. It's gonna overflow. If you put too much, that one gonna expand. Now cover it. Careful. Cover. Hurry up. Now you need to wait. See, I told you it's overflowing now if you put too much. That's why don't put too much. Get down now and wait.
No, I want to see it.
Alright.
And I'm gonna sing a song.
Alright, sing a song then.
It's gonna be Yellow Car is fast.
Okay.
Yellow Car is fast and he knows what to do. And he doesn't know what he does with his friends. He doesn't know what his friends do. When he copies him, when he will do, when he will get it. And then you will think about it and over it. You can know anything.
What else? How about a song for your baby sister?
I'm gonna sing a song for baby sister. I
Yeah.
think baby sister likes my Yellow Car song.
Mm-hmm. How does it go then?
It goes great.
Can you sing You Are My Sunshine?
You are my sunshine. I'm gonna sing You Are my Yellow Car.
Mm-hmm.
You are my yellow car. And sometimes you sad. And then you happy when it's gonna get cold. It's starting to look like a pancake. When you are sad, you get called your family. And you know that you can be here.
We'll just put the hot dog, okay?
Is the pancake almost done?
Don't touch anything. Yes, it's